short cable, and appreciate. I wish all the best to you and your family. 73.
44 Zulu Alpha 232.
Yeah, 44 division, right?
Yeah, 44 Zulu Alpha 232 QSL.
Okay, 44 Zulu Alpha 232, that's it?
That is correct, that is correct. What's my signal report over there?
Okay, I got you. You're 5 and 5, 55 and 196 and the name is Marvyn. Mike, Alpha, Romeo, Victor, Yankee, November, Marvyn,
QSO Morgan, yeah, operator name here is Murray, so Mike, Uniform, Romeo, Alpha, Yankee. Currently running an old Icom IC-720A that I just repaired and I'm currently testing out, so how's it sounding over there, QSL?
Okay, I heard the old Icom, on the old Icom, because the progression is just falling. It's going up and down.
Yeah, the signal is fading in and out. I was just saying, the radio I'm using is an old Icom IC-720A, which I just repaired. I was just wondering how it's sounding there.
If you listen to me.
Yeah, the propagation is fading in and out. Could you just repeat your call sign, please?
196 the call sign. 196 Sugar Delta 001.
Okay, so 196 Sugar Delta 001, is that correct?
Roger, Roger, and the name is Marvyn. Mike, Alpha, Romeo, Victor, Yankee, November, Marvyn, QSL.
Okay, QSL. Well, thanks for the contact, and we'll catch you again later. 73s from 44 Zulu Alpha 232.